In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to a Sony TV. So let's get started. Now let's start with the wireless method first because this is the most convenient one. If your Sony TV supports Apple Airplay, make sure your iPad and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your iPad, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and then tap on screen mirroring and select your Sony TV from the list. Wait a few seconds, it'll show up eventually. Now, once connected, your iPad screen appears instantly on the TV and whatever you do on the iPad shows up on the big screen, whether it be apps, videos, games, everything. Now, if you don't see the Sony TV, grab the TV remote and go into settings and then go to Airplay and HomeKit. I'll show you how that looks like. So in your Sony settings, you want to go to system and you want to click on Apple Airplay and HomeKit and make sure our AirPlay is turned on. Some Sony TVs have it disabled by default, so make sure it's turned on. Now, if your Sony TV doesn't support AirPlay or if you just want a more stable connection, the second option is using an HDMI cable. For this, you will need an HDMI adapter for your iPad. Either it is a USB-C to HDMI adapter or it is a Lightning to HDMI adapter, depending on whatever model your iPad has. Plug the adapter into the iPad, connect the HDMI cable to the TV, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input, and your screen will appear immediately. No Wi-Fi required, and it's great for gaming or presentations. There are also third-party mirroring apps, but most free versions have limits or lag, so AirPlay or HDMI are still the way to go. If nothing shows up, double check Wi-Fi's, restart both devices, and make sure the TV software is up to date. And once it's connected, you're all set. Enjoy your iPad on a much bigger screen. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.